Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your maths class. So we completed lesson number 4, division. So today we'll start lesson number 5, multiples and factors. So you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today we have started lesson number 5, multiples and factors. So as I told, if you know the tables only, you can learn everything in the maths. So learn the tables, children. So lesson number 5, multiples and factors. What is multiples? A multiples is the result when you multiply a number with another number. So what is that? See, 2 4s are 8. So this is a multiple. So whatever you do multiple with another number, what we get the result is called, with another number, we get the result is a multiple. Multiple is a result when you multiply with another number. With this two number, this is factor. This is multiple. So when we multiply with another number, we get a result is a multiple. List of multiples. See, 5 2s are 10. This is multiple. 8 5s are 40. This is multiple. So with another number, we get the result is a multiple. The product of multiplication, products, as I told, see here, 8 2s are 16. This is only product. Yes, no, in multiplication I told this is the product. This is the product of multiplication is the multiple of all numbers which are being multiplied, with this number, which we get the product is called as multiple. Example, see here. Example, it is there. 3 into 11 into 2. So we can't multiply like this. So 3 into 11. 1 3s are 3. Next step. See here. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. So we get answer 33. Yes, no, 11 3s are 33. 33 into 2. See here, 33 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So we got answer 66. So the multiples of 66. Multiples of 66 is, see here, we got 66. So multiple of 66. This is a multiple of 66. 3 11 2. This we call as factors. Okay, no? So multiples of 66 are 3 11 2. So facts about multiples. There is no end to multiples of a number. So we'll be multiplying 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, up to 10. After 2 11s are 2 12s are. Say there is no end for multiples of a number. 0 is a multiple of every number. 0. When we do, see, 5 into 0, 0 only. 7 into 0, 0 only. Any number we do also. So there is 0 is a multiple of every number. So 0 only will be a number. Every number is a multiple of 1. So whatever you do with the, see, 22 into 1, 22. 243 into 1, 243. So same number. The first multiple of every number is the number itself. Yes, no? See, this we get 0. 3 1s are same. So every number is a multiple of number itself. The same number will get. Okay. Say page number 151. Page number 151. Open page number 151. Open page number 151. Color all the multiples of 3. In red color, 3. 3 table, this is table, 3 table. 4 blue. Page number 151. So there is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. So it is in circle, no? Don't color so dark. Okay, children? Don't color so dark. Just color lightly. Color all the multiples of 3. 3 table. which the answer comes, no, that is only a multiple. So color all the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 3 tables answers only we called as multiple. So 3 tables red color, 4 tables blue color. Take a color pencil, crayon, don't press and color. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12, which we get that only a multiple. Multiple of 3 tables is that answer 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Color with blue color. Which you color, no? Down, page number 159. Write the multiples of 3 and 4 in the given blank. So multiples of 3, what answer? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that up to 30. 4 tables, right up to 40. Page number 151, last down it is there, no multiples of 3, they are given dash, 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 dash. So write 3 was the tables, multiples of 3, what answers we get, no, that only multiples of 3. So 3 tables answer you right, 4 tables answer you right. Multiples of 3 means you don't think what, tables only, 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Right, the answer this is multiple of 3. This is multiple of 4. So write 4 tables, okay children? Common multiples, the circle with both the colors, that is red and blue, are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 4. Which are the common multiples? 4, 8, 1, 4, 2, 8, 4, 3, 12, 4, 4, 16, 4, 5, 20, 4, 6, 24, 4, 7, 28, 4, 8, 32, 4, 9, 36, 4, 10, 40. What are the common multiples? What are the common multiples in this? 12. Next. So 24. So 12 and 24 are the common multiples. Okay, children. So the colors with both the circle with both the colors, that is red and blue, are the common multiples of 3 and 4. So what are the common multiples of 3 and 4? 12, 24. So search all which are the common multiples. Okay, children. Now open page number 152. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Circle all the numbers of multiples of 7. Here it is first one, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 20, 21. I told tables, the answer which it comes only we call multiples. Circle all the multiples of 7. 7 tables, multiple answer multiples. So 1 will come in 7 ones are 6. No, 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 won't come. 10 won't come. 13 won't come. 7 twos are 14. 16, 17, 20 won't come. 21. So these are the multiples of 7. So which answers in which the answer tables answer we call as multiples. So circle all the multiples of 7. Multiples means the answer. 7 ones are tables answer only. You should multiple circle. See, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. That we called as multiples of 7. Second one. 1, 6, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 30. So circle all the multiples of 5. So you should say 5 ones are 5. 5 is now the 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. So which the answers comes in my tables? No, that only multiples. So multiples of 5 tables I have circled. Don't circle all children, only the tables answer that we called as multiple. So multiple of 5. 5 ones are tables. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. It is not there. 5 threes are 15. So 5 ones are tables answers only. You should circle. That is only multiples of 5. This is multiple of 7. Write the multiples of 5 between 35 and 55. So multiples of 5. So I'll write here 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So read the question once again, children. What is the question? Write the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 means 5 tables between that. They have asked in multiples of 5. So 5 on the tables I have circled. This 7 on the tables I have circled. They are asking multiples of 5 between 35 and 55. 35 and 55. See 5 11s are 55. There is no end to multiple. I told no, there is no end at all. So multiplication is multiplied by all the numbers which are being. So you can be multiplying. There is no end for this. So 5 11, 5 12 are 60. 5 13 are 65. So they have asked circle, write the multiples of 5 tables between 35 and 55. Between. These are the between. Between 35 and they have asked multiples, write all the multiples of 5. 5 tables. They have asked, they did not ask full table. They asked write all the 5, write multiples of 5 between 35 and 55. Between 35 and 55 is the answer. 40, 45, 50. Understood, children? Circle all the multiples of 7. 7 tables answer only full. What it is there, you can circle. This is 5 tables. Circle. What they have given in that one you have to circle. Third one is write the multiples of 5. 5 tables. If they did not give, write the multiples of 5 means you can write 5 to 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. They have asked write the multiples of 5 between 35 and 55. So you write the tables. So 35 and 55 between. Between means in the middle. What the answer is there? 40, 45, 50. So I have written here. Okay, children. Fourth one. Find the fifth multiple of 9. Fifth multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. 9 ones are 9. So 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. Fifth multiple. Fifth means see 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. So answer is 45. B. Sixth multiple of 10. Sixth multiple of 10 ones table you say. Sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth multiple of 10 ones are table. 10 ones are, 10 twos are, 10 threes are, 10 fours are, 10 fives are, 10 six are, 10 six are 16. C1. Seventh multiple of 11. Seventh multiple, seventh. 1, 2, they are asking TH, seventh. 11 ones are multiple of 11 table, seventh. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, 11 threes are, 11 fours are, 11 fives are, 11 six are, 11 sevens are, 77. D. Fourth multiple of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth multiple. Fourth multiple of 8 tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32. See here. You should write the table's answer only multiple. Okay, children? Table's answer, product, multiplication of product, that only multiple. Okay, children? Copy this. So, exercise 1, fifth main. Fifth main, they've asked the question. Write the first 10 multiples of the following pairs of numbers. Pairs means 2. First one, A, 3 and 5. This is the first 10 multiples. 10 up to 10 means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. See, I'll show. Multiple of 3, multiple of 5. Pair. These are the pair. Pair means 2. So write the first 10 multiples. First 10. First 10 answers we need. Of which table? 3 table. First 10 answers. Of which table? 5 table. So find their common multiples. In the 2, we should find common multiples. They ask you 3. First 10 now. See here. First 10 multiples. First 10 multiples. First 10 multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So, these are the first 10 multiples. Here, first 10 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First multiples, 10 multiples of 3. Next is, now 5 multiples of this. Multiple answer means this only, no? This answers only you are going to write up. Therefore, C equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So these are the first 10 multiples. First 10 multiples. Answers only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they've asked 10. If I ask 5 in the test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write only this much. If I ask 10, you should write 10 also. First 10 multiples, 10. Not 10 ones are tables. First 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples of 5. In this 2, we should find out common multiples. Okay, so I have written first that. Okay, next is 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So, first 10 multiples. See, I have put dash. Don't try. You don't put dash. In the class of you should leave line and write. Okay. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are the first 10 multiples. Okay, children? First 10 multiples. So, in the question, what is the heading? Write the first 10 multiples of the following pairs. These are the pairs. And find their common multiples. First 10 multiples we have to write. Find out the common multiples in this two. These are the first 10 multiples. So, the multiples I have written answers here. So, 3 it is not there. 6 it is not there. 9 it is not there. 12 it is not there. 15. 18, 20, 24, 27, no, 30 it is there. So, what is the answer here? Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30. 15 and 30. This is the answer. Yes. Understand? Write slowly, children. See, they ask it, write first 10 multiples of the pair. First 10 multiples. This only the multiples I have written. See, the multiples of 3 answers. So, first you should write the table. 10 multiples. These are the multiples. Yes, no, first 10 multiples I have written. And find out the common. In this two, find out the common multiples. You should not circle all. Common multiple. In this also the answer should be. This also answer should be. So, in this 15, 15. 30, 30. These are the 10 multiples. The question is, write first 10 multiples I have written. In that, in this two, find out the common multiples. The common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30. What are the common multiples of 3 and 5? 15, 30. Yes, copy down this, children. Still, how many sums are there? There are 5 sums. Still, only one I'll do. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, you have to do. Okay, children? Let's copy down this. So today we will complete multiples. Yes, no, children? Here, multiples and factors. So today I completed multiples. Yes, no, children? Here completed multiples. So the next class I will start factors. Okay. B1. 2, 4. These are the pair. Right. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So, they've asked, write 10 multiples. 10 multiples I have written. Next, that answer multiples. This answer you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. First 10 multiples are written, full tables. These are the 10 multiples. In this answers we have to write. Next is 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. So write all the multiples down. Multiples is 4, 8. These are the multiples of 4. Answers, 4 answers. 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So these are the 10 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 multiples of 2, 10 multiples of 4. So first you can write tables. That table's answer you should write here. Next, leave one line. This two don't leave line. This you should leave one line and write. Write for multiples, 10 multiples of 4. Multiples answers you should write down. So what are the common multiples? Common multiples of 2 and 4 or what? 2 and 4 what? Here 2 it is not there. 4 it is there. 4. 6 it is not there. 8. 10 it is not there. 12. 14 it is not there. 16. 18 it is not there. 20. So, what are the common multiples of 2 and 4? Common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the common multiples of 2 and 4. What are the common multiples of 2 and 4? These are the 10 multiples of 2. These 10 multiples of 4. In these 2 multiples, which are the common? In both answers, it should be both the multiples. So, in this 2, which are the common multiples? 4, 8, 12. In this 6, it is there. 2, it is there. 10, it is there. 14? No. Which are the common? So, both 4, 8. So, these are the common multiples of 2 and 4. Write the answers, children. Yes, you copied. Next, third one, 5 ones are 10 ones are tables. It is very easy. Write 5 tables. Tables answers, you should write here the multiples. 10 ones a table you write. Write the multiples of 10. In that 2 common answer, common multiples that you should write down. After write 6 ones are tables, 7 ones are tables. So in 6 which answers it comes, you write full. 7 which answers. In that 2, select which are the common multiples. In both the tables, the answer should be same. So that are the common multiples. Last is 10 and 20. It is very easy. So write the 3 in your rough book, children. So here I'll end my class. Take out your homework books. Yes, see here. Max homework today. Lesson number 4, division. Exercise page number 139 and 140. It continues. Exercise 2, not exercise 1. Exercise 2. First main, fill in the blanks. Second main, write down the multiplication and division fact. So I have given answers this and all. Third main also I have given answers. Only direct answers you can write, children. Fourth main also direct answers. Fifth main. Sixth main, find the quotient and the remainder. You don't write direct answer. It is 219. Which table? 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. Bring down 1. 2 zeros are 0. Here 1. Bring down 9. 2 nines are 18. 1 0. So like this you should do the sum. Don't write direct answers. Do the sum, children. Bring for correction every Friday. So this only one time. One time is enough. So complete all the mains, children.